Well, good afternoon, good afternoon. What should a chap do when the weather is blowy and damp and nasty? What else is there to do? What I've done, I've pulled out from where it was languishing, unloved and untouched, this layout. Now this layout I created as a test track, and it needs cleaning. But I've just sort of laid it out to see how this locomotive runs. And apart from getting giddy, that's okay really, isn't it? I think. Now, having gone to the effort to get this pulled out from where it was hiding, seems a shame to run this engine briefly and then put it all away again. So what else might we have to play with? Hold on, now this is a dear little soul. It's been stuck away for a very long time. I'm just going to see what happens when we apply a bit of power. Nothing. Okay. Alright, well, we're not going to strain the poor thing. What we'll do, we'll pull her apart and give her a quick service. This particular engine, it's suffered a little bit, it's got some damage to it, but it just sort of spoke to me. It's a pretty little thing, isn't it? To pop the top off it, there's a single screw there, so that's obviously the next thing to do. And what we're looking at is another one of these little Triang motors. Yeah, we'll see what happens. See what happens when we give it a quick once over. Well, there doesn't seem to be too much wrong with that. What there is something wrong with, though, is that section of track over there desperately needs a clean. But there we are. That one seems to be quite happy. He said too soon. Yeah, that bit of track definitely needs sorting out, doesn't it? Got to do something with it.